Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayres, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Well, hi there and welcome to the ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for December 7th, 2009. As always, I'm Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Well, the intermediate trend for the US dollar continues to be down. However, after last week's strong close, the index is back above 75. Now, while there is a possibility of a reversal here, which would send the dollar index back down to test deeper into this 73-74 focal zone, an extended move higher will reflect a break of the trend line and a push back into the 76-77 box, opening the window for an accelerated move to the upside, likely as a result of US dollar short covering. Now, our daily snapshot reflects the dollar rally that took place on Friday and the close above that 75.75 line that we've been waiting for. This lends further credibility to a continuation higher to test our near-term focal zones. However, after such a robust move, we are open to a retracement. Well, the US dollar is fighting hard to hold its ground against the Canadian dollar as seen here in the CDD. After several attempts to push higher, the CDD closed the week with a test of the 104 support. The 107-108 focal zone remains a strong overhead resistance, a break of which will open the window for an extended move into the 110-112 box. Well, the US dollar regained significant ground against the yen as the YUK held the 86.5 box and subsequently bounced to close the week 5 points higher. After such a robust move, a retracement is likely. Should the selling be contained above the 88-89 range, a test of the 92-93 focal zone is anticipated. Although the trend still remains down, the US dollar traded higher against the euro, closing the week strong after a reversal out of the 66.5 focal zone. Now, the 67.5-68 box remains a strong overhead resistance. A move higher into this range signals a break of the trend line and opens the window for further US dollar strength. Well, the BPX, the US versus the pound, remains range-bound, respecting the support level at the 59.5-60 focal zone. The 61.5 box still remains an important overhead resistance, a break of which is likely to yield a much more robust move higher. Well, the AUX continues to find support along the upper range of the 106-107 focal zone. After Friday's strong close, we may see the US dollar push higher against the Australian dollar to test this 111-112 box. However, this level continues to be an area of strong overhead resistance. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the US dollar index experienced a significant rally and now tests resistance at 76. We may see a retracement after such a robust move. Consolidation above 75 opens the window for a continuation to the upside. The CDD continues to test the 104 support. We are still waiting for a break above 108 to lend further credibility to the continuation of an uptrend. The YUK reversed at 87, which reflected a measured extension of the preceding downtrend. We may see a retracement after such a significant move. However, if the selling is contained above 88, the window is open for further US dollar strengthening. The EUI retested the 66.5 focal zone and quickly reversed. As was last week, a close above 67.5 signals a break above the trend line and opens the window for a more robust rally for the US dollar. However, in the bigger picture, the trend remains down. The BPX continues to be range-bound, offering no commitment to any direction. As long as support holds at 60, a break above 61.5 could signal a continuation to the upside. The AUX remains range-bound as well, retesting 106-107 focal zone but quickly reversing. There is significant overhead resistance at 112. A break of this may spark a more robust US dollar rally. And this has been your ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for December 7, 2009. As always, I'm Jason Ayres. Thanks for joining me this week. We'll see you here next week.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.